this video, I am going to guide you about updating your car photos on the Turo app. Refreshing your car images can make your listing more attractive to renters. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Turo app on your smartphone. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. 3. Select vehicles from the menu. 4. Choose the car you want to update photos for. 5. Tap on Edit Listing and navigate to the Photos section. 6. Remove old photos if needed and tap Add Photos to upload new ones. 7. Select images from your device and confirm the upload. 8. Save the changes to update your car photos successfully. Your car photos have been updated on Turo. Make sure to upload high quality images for better visibility. You can edit your listing anytime to keep it updated.